Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling just what you need and then acting immediately. Install Node.js and open your editor. Create a folder with index, HTML main, JS and styles, CSS. Once done, wire a basic HTML file to load your script and a canvas element for rendering. Make sure to pick Canvas API for learning or Facer for faster features. This choice guides structure and asset handling. Now run a simple live server to confirm the page loads, and your console prints a test message. You now create the engine that runs every frame. Implement a request animation frame loop and compute delta time to keep motion consistent. Once that core exists, add input handlers for keyboard, mouse, and touch, debounce or throttle where appropriate so input stays responsive. Next, build an asset preloader using promises so sprites and sounds are ready before gameplay starts. Make sure to structure game states, menu play, paused, and transition cleanly so your logic stays organized as complexity grows. You finish by polishing visuals, tuning performance, and preparing deployment. Optimize by batching draw calls, using sprite atlases and fixing physics step size to avoid instability. Once done, test on desktop and mobile, profile with DevTools to find slow spots and make targeted fixes. Then bundle with a tool like Webpack or Rollup and deploy to a static host or package with Electron for desktop. If assets fail or frame rate drops, first check the preloader and profiler. Memory leaks or large textures are the usual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.